RK-360MC Neptune is a coastal missile defense system. So let's see this model from the each side. Very massive vehicle, guys. Really massive vehicle. It's a Ukrainian system launcher. So let's see it. Very incredible design, very huge. This one is actually in 1/35 scale, but you know, it's very nice vehicle. I really like it. I really like the design of the model. There are a lot of different features in this model also. So as you can see, there is the launchers, different doors that we can open, different stuff that we can put down to transform the model into the combat position, because this one is in stationary position. Also there is a missile, a port. It's like addition to the launcher. Very nice. So let's see the features of the model. First of all, we can open the doors. So let's see it. Like that. As you can see, there is the interior inside in this model. Incredible interior. Also, we can open the door right here. Like that. Also, there is another interior with different computers, different parts for controlling the launcher of the system. Also, we can put down the model into the combat position, just like that. It's approximately looks like that. Also we can move the launcher. So let's see it. Let's move the launcher. We can put up and down. Just like that. Now it looks really nice, really incredible. It looks really nice. It looks very similar to the real prototype, as you can see. Just look at this. Look at this incredible model. I like it. Very huge vehicle, guys, actually. Very huge. Also incredible design of the missile, as you can see, the research here. Very nice looking, very nice design, different ports or like that. It's the same size like as the tubes of the launcher, as you can see. Very nice. Which kind of the models you would like to see from me? Just let me know in comments below. Check out my other videos. See you next time.